Welcome to your Money Monday.
Are you frustrated because you know that online leads should definitely be a silo of business for you, but you just don't know where to start? Hey, I'm Rich Motts. Welcome to Money Monday, session 147. So the last 4 weeks, we've been focusing on building the 6 silos of business for you to just not survive, but to thrive in today's changing market. Everyone knows that you should have at least the 4 core parts to your business. And these 4 parts include, number 1, database, which is your past clients and your sphere of influence. Number 2, open houses that generate buyers, sellers, and help you sell your listings, of course. Number 3, geographic farming area that you're going to work and actually become the area expert to the area of the market that you want to produce business from. Number 4, converting online leads. And folks, today we're here to talk about adding silo number 4, online leads. A lot of you say, but I don't have any listings to get online leads from. So what? You don't need them. However, remember before we go into this, that the most essential thing that I can tell you about online leads is its speed to lead. In other words, you must respond to the consumer in minutes to get the best lead capture rate, or the consumer's gone. You also have something like this, a What's My House Worth website, such as Cloud CMA, that automatically generates a full competitive market analysis on your home and emails it to the consumer in minutes. Then you get notified that they just requested it via email, and you follow up with that customer as fast as possible, speed to lead. You can post that link to this on all social media, and for example, have a simple ad that says something like this: home prices in Stark County are up 13.7% from an average increase of $17,794. What effect does this have on your property's value? Go to what'smyhomeyourname.com worth, and in minutes the consumer will get this full CMA sent to them. Our friends at Keeping Current Matters also have 3 great landing pages that you can use. So they have one that's called Selling Your Home for Spring of 2019. So every season they have a different Selling Your Home guide. So you can just simply say, get my new free 20-page guide to selling your home spring of 2019. Click here. And it could be, your name, guide to sellingyourhome.com. So they click there and it goes to this 20-page guide, and it's a landing page, captures their information, and boom, you got it. The second one that they provide for you, is buying a home spring of 2019. Again, for every season they release a great new guide, and you can simply say, hey, get my free, valuable 20-page guide to buying a home spring 2019. Click here, or go to buyingahomerich.com, like buyingahomeyourname.com, buy a URL and forward it to this. Then again, they get a landing page. Boom, you capture that lead, follow up with them, speed to lead. And the third landing page that they provide for you is simply a millennial's guide to buying a home. It's a 22-page guide that you can put out there. So imagine that you put out there, millennials are the #1 buyers and the #1 sellers in today's market. So you just put that out there and say, millennials, get my free 22-page valuable guide to help you buy a home. Pretty cool stuff. So stay tuned next week to learn some great ways for those of you that have listings to drive online leads to you, and even better yet, how to capture those leads by using the right forms of communication and follow-up systems. I really hope that you like this video today, and it's real important, as you know, to take action. If you need any more information on generating online leads, reach out to me. I'm Rich Motts, and I will see you next Monday. Thanks so much, everyone.